This isn't. This is funny for me, but maybe not for some people. I think live television is very special. You know, there's a sort of a danger there, bit of a danger there, and I think people like the fact that they're sitting at home. I know I do, and this is happening as they're watching it.
Yeah.
So oftentimes nothing happens, but sometimes it does, and then there's a sense of community which you don't get from pre-recorded stuff.
Speaking of danger, there was the Jack Nicholson incident that you had in the last year. I don't know if that was the plan to get that reaction from the crowd, but at home it was very entertaining for the people at home, which I suppose is the main part. I thought it was gas.
No,
but people in the audience seemed appalled.
No, firstly, the reason I'm smiling about the Jack Nicholson thing is that anybody would think that, you know, a chat show in Ireland, like 4 or 5 weeks into its first run, would get Jack Nicholson. I think that's hilariously funny. I think that's why I smile. Yeah, it was. When they stood up and gave him a sort of standing ovation, I thought, well, maybe this isn't. This is funny for me, but maybe not for some people. But there you go.